Hello, now myself Archana Upadhyay going to start past perfect tense. Past perfect, in past tense we completed our work. ID is चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, etc. Most of the time we get this type of sentence. हम अपना कार्य कर चुके थे. The rule for affirmative sentences is subject, then had, then third form of verb. As we know, in all perfect tenses, we use only third form of verb, then object. In easy words, we can say with has, have, or had, we need to use third form of verb. And the example is she had written a letter. Now we come to negative sentences. Negative, as you know, negative means not is used. So, first of all, we use subject, then had, then not, then third form of verb, then object. For example, you had not paid your rent. You subject, had helping verb, not negative, paid third form of verb, your rent object. Now we come to interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, first of all, I am going to start helping verb type. So again the rule is same. First of all we use had, then subject, then third form of verb, then object. After that, question mark. It is compulsory to use question mark in interrogative sentences, whether these are helping verb type or WS type. And we should use a question mark every time. So the rule for helping verb type is had plus subject plus third form of verb plus object and then question mark. An example is, had you seen my new car? And WH type. In WH type, first of all we use WH word, then had, then subject, then third form of verb, and then object. And the example is, why had you seen my new car? Or we can use when also, where also. Where had you seen my new car? When had you seen my new car? Etc. The things are same. Most of the rules are same. But we need to understand these. We need to identify the difference in all tenses. Then we can understand how to use properly.